had to scratch my arm. Is the heat on? Oh shit, I didn't even raise the AC. Gabby! Is the AC on or the heat? Ooh, my arms are on fire. I always like this little thing until I remember that my arms burn every time I use it. Now where the hell is the lid to this? Shoot. I have no idea where the lid is to this one. Lucas, can you go see if the AC or the heat is on?
What?
Go check, or call your sister to check.
Are you cold?
No, I'm hot.
That's 70.
70 what?
70.
AC or heat? It doesn't just say, it says cool or heat. Heat? Mm-hmm. Turn it off. Oh. Tell your sister to turn it off. Who put it on heat?
Do I press the hold button? What do I press?
Put them up. No, just put them up.
Come on, MJ. Come on, Dallas. MJ, Dallas. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Jump in.
Get up there.
Okay, Can you please call your sister? Close that door. You did?
Yep. Actually, let me go check. No, it's not shut.
Shut it.
Now it's shut.
They just knocked. Lewis was eating some chicken tenders, and Dallas got on the table and just ate all his chicken tenders that he had left on the table. So, they're in trouble. Why is the heat on? Okay, can you turn the heat off?
I don't know how to do it.
Just turn it off.
I don't know how to turn off the heat.
Can you tell them to be quiet? Just tell them to shush. Just say shush.
Shut!
There's the lid that I was looking for.
Shush!
MJ, enough! Stop! I'm gonna save because I'm losing my patience with my dogs, my kids. I'm gonna put you guys on the thing. I'm gonna do the rinse and I'm gonna get out of here. Cause I don't want to be in a bad mood, and I'm annoyed at my dogs right now, and that somebody turned on the heat, and we live in Florida. So we're gonna do a rinse, and then I'm gonna get out of here. MJ.